English. Grade 7.
Tape script 4.11.1.
Hi, I'm Bopa. It's my grandma's 80th birthday today. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm the happiest kid today. I love my grandma. Look at her. She's sitting on the sofa. She's wearing a purple dress. She's really pretty. Grandpa's sitting beside her. Grandpa is the oldest in the family. He's 85, but he's still good looking. And that's my aunt over there, beside the cake. She's wearing a pink t-shirt. She's taller than my uncle. Look, she's the tallest in the family, and my uncle's the shortest. And look, my two cousins are having fun popping the balloons. Shreta is really smart. She's the smartest in the family. No one has a present for Grandma, but she has. We don't know what it is. It's a secret. And my cousin Mang is the youngest. He's only 3, and he is the naughtiest. Oh, and me? Oh well, there I am. I'm having ice cream. I'm the coolest and the best.
Tape script 4.11.2. Grandma. Grandma. Grandpa. Grandpa. Aunt. Aunt. Uncle. Uncle. Cousins. Cousins. Tape script 4.11.3. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Make the bed. Make the bed. Do the washing up. Do the washing up.